Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can integrate ClickUp with Shopify. This integration helps automate order and customer tracking. So first, you will open your ClickUp, and once you're here, you will go ahead and look for automation. So go ahead and go to your space first, and then you will click this automations icon right here. So after that, what you will do is go to integrations. It should be right here. So you should make sure that you do have the full version of the app so that you will be able to see that kind of option. So it could be actually um, on the apps section as well. So go look for Shopify. If you cannot find it, then it means that your version doesn't have it, or you don't have the full plan of the website. So do make sure that you do have the full version of the app, and that so that you will be able to access its features. Then after you see the integrations area, what you will do is basically just click Shopify or search for Shopify. Then you will just have to simply connect. Then you will log into your Shopify account, and then you will authorize ClickUp, and then you will choose integration options. You will click new orders, and then you will click create task, and then you will test by placing a sample order, and then you will check ClickUp for the task creation. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.